So mixed signals continue to come from Washington, D.C. A day after US President Donald Trump called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a friend, White House has said that they're considering additional tariffs or fresh tariffs on country that continue to trade with Russia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaffirmed ties with United States, saying that he reciprocates the sentiments of US President Donald Trump. But the Prime Minister is also making a big push with the Swadeshi message, Make in India message ahead of this festive season. So buy products that are made in India. In fact, he's told his party MPs and NDA MPs to ensure that they hold Made in India fairs and a call to say with great pride, this is Swadeshi. So in midst of this global tariff turmoil, India is holding firm, balancing alliances, protecting India's interests, keeping India first.
Mixed signals from Washington. On one hand, US President Donald Trump calls Prime Minister Modi a friend. On the other, the same White House is considering fresh tariffs on Indian goods.
Are you ready to move to the second phase of sanctions against Russia or punishing Putin? How is your call?
Prime Minister Modi too is answering in kind. While he reaffirms commitment to ties with the US, he has also called for a Swadeshi push at home. Sources say Prime Minister is spreading the Swadeshi mantra ahead of the festive season, urging MPs to promote Made in India fairs and exhibitions, telling people to say with pride, this is Swadeshi. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar too sought to steady the boat, meeting US leaders including Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds to talk up trade potential. But the message from Washington remains muddled. Trump's trade advisor Peter Navarro once again accused India of funding Russia's war through oil purchases. His claims were promptly fact-checked on X. Users called out US hypocrisy, pointing to its own imports from Moscow. Meanwhile, Ukraine's President Zelensky is openly backing tariffs on countries trading with Moscow without naming New Delhi.
It is important that today we saw a broad response from our partners to this strike. Clearly, Russia is trying to inflict pain on Ukraine with even more brazen attacks. This is a clear sign that Putin is testing the world, whether they will accept or tolerate this.
This even as EU fast-tracks its own trade talks with New Delhi. Caught in this Chakravyuh of global pressure, India is holding firm. The challenge for India is clear: balancing global alliances while protecting national interest. Bureau Report, India Today.